Hey guys, what's up? This is your girl Yanni. I'm so excited to see you guys for today's video. We are going to be doing this awesome look and I call it the pumpkin spice latte. I'm actually having some coffee at the moment with some pumpkin spice latte creamer from Starbucks and it's delicious. I just did it for the vibe. It goes with my morning coffee, pastry, sugar. I am down. Alright guys, I invite you guys to get yourself your favorite coffee or drink, but before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button and let's begin. Alright guys, we're going to begin with our moisturizer. I'm going to be using my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Moisturizer on. Time for primer. I'm actually using the Smashbox primer. And now that my face is ready, it's moisturized, it's primed. So let's begin. I have one of my favorite foundations here, the Huda Macchiato color. I am in love with this product, seriously guys. Like I said, it's full coverage. It lasts a long time. So I'm just gonna add one pump of this. Seriously, it's full coverage, so I don't need a lot. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a beauty sponge. I'm gonna blend all these be everywhere. Whatever works for you guys. See, it's already making a difference. You wanna start one side. I don't know why I have the habit of just starting all over the place. Things that you're doing, it creates more like an airbrush effect versus streaks, which looks more fake. Guys, I don't know what's worse, a flat face of foundation or no makeup. Okay, so I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera. I can never get the same shape. I just want to get in a fight with these two. They never agree with each other or with me. Alright guys, eyebrows are done. Now time for some concealer. So I'm going to be using the Tarte Light Medium color. Alright, so I'm going to add some product here. I don't like to use a lot. Seriously, this is very heavy. So you have to be very careful how much you apply. A little bit there. I'm just going to do a heart. Like second heart. And a little bit here. I'm gonna use the same beauty sponge that I used earlier for my foundation. I like this because it really gets in the inner corner. So I like to just blend this concealer very well, guys. Really blend it in because, like I said, it's a very thick product. Priming the eyes with some concealer. I like to use eye primer for this, but because I'm gonna be using like an orangey color to it, I want that orangey to pop out a little bit more. So the concealer helps you not only retain the product longer, it allows it to be a little bit more brighter. So, alright guys, time for my favorite part, the eyes. I can't wait. Seriously, I'm going to be using this bomb palette. It is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill Arm Gorgeous Eyeshadow Palette. How cute this is. So sure. The colors are just amazing. Seriously, let me open this for you guys. Check them out. Beautiful colors, just amazing and perfect. You can do so many looks with this. Excuse my dirty mirror. And start off with the BH number 7. I'm gonna go ahead and use the color Secure. Grab yourself some product, get the excess out. I like to keep my crease a little bit darker and then I work my way up just to get a little bit more product. Same Secure color. Go ahead and add it on the bottom with a little flatter brush. I'm gonna go ahead and use a smaller brush. I'm gonna use Smooth Criminal. I like to basically concentrate my product on the outer B and go ahead and work my way around the crease, but of course focusing on this area to be the darkest. Okay, for the outer B, I'm still gonna add more product, but this is gonna be the darkest one. I'm gonna use Pearl color. If you notice, I'm gonna go ahead and blend the color, but probably gonna stop midway. Or else everything's just not gonna look the same. So just blend, 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 blend. Go ahead and get a clean brush. I'm gonna use the Luxie 250 large eye blending brush just to blend the colors more. Get those harsh lines out of the way. Blend them just a bit. Guys, I'm so upset at myself right now. Seriously, I began doing my eyeliner and I didn't realize I wasn't done. I still have one more product to put on my eyelid and it's like Kylie Jenner. This one's called the, let me see what's the name. The Witch and Famous Glitter Eyeshadow, and it's very cute. This is actually a liquid metallic orangey color. Just ignore the eyeliner. I'm gonna put it over and then just redo my eyeliner again. Use my finger. I think the finger is actually one of the best brushes I use. Not even a brush, but you know what I mean. So I'm gonna, got it in my nail. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of the product. I'm gonna go in the center of the eyelid. And you see, this is the reason why I didn't want my eyeliner, because I'm gonna go over it. Alright, so just gently dab this on your eyelid and focus on the center. I'm just gonna add a little bit more pearl color to the lower lash line. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put some eyelashes and I'll be back. All right guys, so I'm back. I got my lashes on. So we're gonna go ahead and begin with the rest of the face. For the waterline, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some black eyeliner. I'm gonna use Hollywood and Vine. I think this is pretty good. I like this one. It doesn't smear off throughout the day, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply a little bit. And I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the waterline. Ooh, that looks lovely. I don't feel like I need to add mascara with this eyelashes, but feel free to do so if you have to. But I will add some mascara on my lower lashes, okay? I'm using the Tarte Big Ego. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be baking. I'm going to go ahead and apply some of this setting powder. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Powder. What it does, it gives it like a more natural flawless look under the eye. The concealer does a great job on it, but this one gives it like a more natural look. You'll see once I apply it. Just let it sit there for a little bit. Just a little bit. Go ahead and bake the other eye. And whatever I have left, just put it here. Gives him like a flawless look. And while that's baking, ooh, lovely, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. For that, I'm gonna use the Morphe Highlight and Contour Palette. I'm gonna go ahead and use Donuts. I'm gonna use this double-sided brush from Tarte. What can I get out of this brush is a fine line versus having a brush that is equally ended, and it's just gonna give me this harsh, thick line, which I don't want. If you wanna look thinner, face a little bit longer, you could definitely play with the contour and achieve that look. Still not super thin either. And that created the shadow. Alright guys, so I already began bronzing. I actually used the Pretty Vulgar Bronze Mannikin color. I like to mix it up with my, where is it? My Milani. It's called the Glow Bake Bronzer, and it has like a golden rose color. I began putting some highlighter. I'm using the same Morphe highlight contour palette. I'm gonna be using the bean color. It's amazing, seriously, it changes the whole game here. And then my inner corners, same one. And I also get a little bit on my Cupid bow. Okay, now for our lips, we are gonna be using Kylie's Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick, and it's a pumpkin color. I really wanted to match up the pumpkin spice latte look, so I think this is perfect. So my husband was like, don't you think you have too much orange going on? I was kind of scared on using it because I wasn't sure if it was gonna look good or not. Kylie girl, you actually did a good job on this color. I actually like it. I was kind of scared using something kind of orangey on my lips because I'm not a big fan of it. But she actually did an awesome job. And it's matte. Love it. Alright guys, we are done with the video. I'm actually excited about this look. Seriously, I never thought orange would look amazing in clothing or in makeup, and I just found my new look for Thanksgiving. Anyways guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Bye guys.